Dígwit agus fáilte ród go dtí an masú rang bhunaithe. Okay, so tuigeann sibh an masún rang bhunaithe. You all know what is involved in it at this stage, and most of you will be very much finished writing it, and you're on to the next stage, which is your iMovie. Okay, but just to do a quick run through again. Okay, sin an ceist is tusa an filas adán Stadeolaíocht, scríomh blog faoin lá fad nuair a tharla an actras adán. Déin that's sin iver a hain agus iver a dó déin taimhú cainte, an oral presentation, taimhú cainte le the vlog. Okay, ná na cainte sin. Okay, na ceistena sin agus an sin an tafid cainte. Okay, so iMovie Carcolor. So the process always is to get the visual element together. So you do not have to have it typed up on the screen each time you do it. That's not necessary. But it is necessary for you to be speaking very clearly, and for myself to be able to hear it and correct it properly. Okay, so 3 element an seo iver hain an banú. So dísmurgit or dígwit, no dív. Adam is anam dum mar hampla, agus by me ag déanamh mo MRB Stadeolaíocht Carcolor. And sin lenarai give her a dough on piece of Ibra. Okay, so that's what you've been working on. So there, just lay amok the uber, read out your work. Okay, nice and clearly. Agus an sin iver 3 machnamh an dawn. So that's this here. Okay, so anhfuil fón cliste agat, anhfuil fón cliste ag gach duine cóis leat, an diggin tú an teachtrach sa dawn, anmíonn tú sáte the own póca, nó the own cliste gomininic, an dhéanann tú jarmid an sail, heart, earth, riamh nervíonn tú an phone, an bhón. Okay, so this is all class work that we've done. Okay, Carcolor. Gur mágad agus slán.